Hello, Mr. Doe. How are you today?
Hello, Dr. Smith. I'm not feeling well.
I'm sorry to hear that. What seems to be the problem?
I have been having a lot of headaches lately and feeling very tired.
I see. How long have you been experiencing these symptoms?
It has been about 2 weeks now.
Have you noticed any other symptoms?
Yes, I have also had some dizziness and occasional nausea.
And have you had any similar issues in the past?
No, I haven't. This is the first time I have experienced something like this.
All right. Are you taking any medications currently?
Just over-the-counter painkillers for the headaches, usually once or twice a day.
I understand. Could you describe the nature of your headaches? Are they constant, or do they come and go?
They usually start in the afternoon and can last for several hours. They are quite persistent.
Have you noticed if anything makes the headaches better or worse?
Resting in a dark room seems to help a bit. Stress or loud noises make it worse.
And you mentioned feeling very tired. How is your sleep? Are you getting enough rest at night?
I have been having trouble sleeping. I wake up feeling tired no matter how long I sleep.
That might be contributing to your symptoms. Poor sleep can often cause headaches and fatigue. How's your diet? Are you eating regular meals?
I have been skipping meals lately because I have been so busy at work.
That could also be affecting your energy levels and headaches. Irregular eating can lead to blood sugar fluctuations, which might be causing or worsening your headaches and fatigue.
That makes sense. What should I do?
Based on your symptoms, I recommend a few things. First, try to establish a regular sleep schedule. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day. Second, make sure you're eating balanced meals at regular intervals. Avoid skipping meals, and try to include healthy snacks if you are busy.
Okay, I will try that.
For the headaches, you can continue with over-the-counter painkillers, but don't overuse them as they can sometimes cause rebound headaches. You might also want to try some stress relief techniques, like deep breathing exercises or short walks during your breaks.
That sounds helpful.
I will also write you a prescription for a mild sedative to help with sleep. Take it only as needed and try to use it as a short-term solution. If the symptoms persist or get worse, we might need to explore other options, such as further tests or seeing a specialist.
Thank you, Dr. Smith. I will follow your advice.
Take care, and don't hesitate to call if you have any concerns before your next appointment.